Hello everyone, April here from Pelvic Balance. I want to talk a little bit about pain with sex, something that can be very common in the postpartum period, and a lot of women suffer with it for way too long. So a couple reasons why that may happen. One, hormonal changes can definitely come into play. But there are a couple other things too. So if I show you on the model here, this is the layout of the pelvic floor muscles. So you could see they are layered. It's not just one muscle within the pelvis. There are multiple layers. They attach to different parts of the pelvic bones here. And what can happen is these muscles can develop increased tension and tightness. That can happen because of trauma. If you have any tearing during birth, that might develop into excessive scar tissue. C-section scars as well. You could have increased scar tissue underneath the surface and have a general tension of some of the fascia, which is a coating around all your muscles. You can have tension within that as well. That can contribute to pain. The other thing that can happen is obviously the pelvis can shift during pregnancy and birth because it allows baby to move down into the pelvis. And the pelvic bones do not always go back to the original position they were in. So, for example, if somebody has maybe this part of the pelvis is sort of shifted outward, upward, anything a little bit different, these muscles that attach to the bone can then be put on more tension. So when we correct that pelvic alignment, it can also help to alleviate some of the tension in the muscles. So that's something I definitely address with people who come in, is we not only look at the muscles, but what's happening with the bones of the pelvis, of the sacrum and coccyx, because the position of those bones and how mobile they are can definitely affect the muscles themselves and contribute to pain. So those are some of the reasons why that might happen. If you have any further questions on that, please feel free to reach out, April@pelvicbalance.com. Thank you. Have a great day.